Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about why you should use the command line. So, first things first, what is the command line? Well, simply put, the window, which is usually called the command line or command line interface, is a text-based application for viewing, handling and manipulating files on your computer. Another thing that separates the command line from a regular computer is the fact that there is no graphical user interface. If we look at the command line on my computer, we can see that it's only text-based, so I can type things in here, but there's no visual component like on a regular computer. I can go around, click different things, and navigate through the trackpad. Another thing that separates the command line from a regular computer system is that you can do things that aren't possible through the on-screen interface. You have a lot more power in the command line than on the on-screen interface, and we will be getting into that in later videos. So I will be showing you some examples. Now, why should you use the command line? The first reason you should use the command line is because it is so much faster. If we take an example for it, let's do an example. Let's create a new folder with 3 different files, and let's see how quickly we can do it. So first, let's have a look at the files in this folder. We've already made 2. So let's make a new folder in this example folder, and we'll see how quickly we can do it. So I'm going to write mkdir make directory folder, and now we're going to make 3 files in the folder. We're going to say 1.txt. Let's do 2 and 3. And now let's go into the folder and see if we have our 3 files there. And we do. And that's how quick it was to make a new file, a new folder, and 3 files. It took us about 10 seconds. With the graphical user interface, it would have taken us probably 30 seconds to a minute to click on all the new files and folders, name them, and then put them in the right place. The second reason why you should use the command line is because it gives you so much more control of the computer, and it really allows you to do a lot more. Now again, we will be looking into this a lot more in future videos, so don't worry about it yet, but that's just another reason why you should use the command line. A third reason is that using the command line is a great habit to get into. Now this habit is especially important if you are a programmer, because you will actually find yourself in the command line quite a bit. In fact, you'll find yourself at the command line very often. The fourth reason is that creating directories and files is a lot easier. Now I already showed you this when I was talking about the first point, and it really is a lot quicker. We did just see it there. And the final reason why you should use the command line is because if you are a programmer especially, you are going to be executing a lot of scripts and other files that will require you to use the terminal. And that's why it's so important to be able to use it and have a good understanding of the command line if you are a programmer. And again, like the other points, we will be going through this in later videos. So if you want to find out more, just check them out. And otherwise, thank you for watching. But don't forget to leave a like, guys, and yeah, I'll see you soon.